Have you ever spent your money on a face cream only for you to start breaking out, dry up, or your skin getting worse? Chances are you don't know your skin type. That was me when I started my skincare journey. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to know your skin type at home without any testing or any fancy equipment. When I started my skincare journey, in the afternoon, my face is always shiny, so I thought I had an oily skin. I started buying products that were drying. These are some of the products I got. I got this cleanser and I got this toner. This toner is actually very nice for oily skin because it has ingredients that are good for oily skin, which will help to dry out your skin. And I also got this treaty cleanser. When I was using this product, I saw that my face was becoming so dry. I was like, why? My face is not supposed to be so dry, right? I didn't know I didn't have an oily skin until I started paying attention to these signs. Here are signs that you're using the wrong product. Constantly breaking out, even when you're using acne products. Your face feels dry after washing, and makeup doesn't sit well on your face. Feeling flaky around your nose, but oily on your forehead. These are signs that shows that your skin is reacting, not thriving. Have you tried everything on your skin, from cleansers, serum, and cream, but nothing seems to be working? Come closer, let me tell you why. It's not your skin, it's not the advice. It's because 80% of products sold in Nigeria are mostly fake, expired, or diluted. That's why we created the Ollas Reality Skincare Product Package Combo, which is a direct-to-customer service. We'll give you a full personalized skincare product recommendation that is tailored to your skin type, your skin concern, your budget, and your skin group. And guess what? All the products are authentic and it will be delivered to you, and you smile after getting it. We have the basic starter package, which is 75,000 naira, the intermediate plan, which is 160,000, the advanced plan, which is 260,000 to 300,000, and we have the premium plan, which is 360,000 to 600,000. Please stop gambling with your skin. Click on the link in our bio or down in the description box to order your personalized skincare box. With Ollas Reality, real skin, real results. And if you have any skin issue you're battling with, please do well to comment down below. Feel free to download our 5 days clear skin starter plan. If you want to take your skin to the next level, grab our complete ultimate guide to a flawless skin. The first 20 people to get the ebook will get a free 1-day consultation with me. Then if you want to have a personalized skincare routine tailored to your needs and a weekly follow-up and a monthly follow-up, please click on the link to book a one-on-one consultation with us. Like this video, share this video, and do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now I'm going to break down different skin type. We have 5 skin types. We have the oily skin, we have the dry skin, we have the combination skin, we have the normal skin, and we have the sensitive skin. Mind you, all these skin type can be sensitive. We also have matured skin type, but it's not actually a major skin type, but the major 5 we've mentioned I've listed before. There are certain things that can change your skin type. It can be weather and it can be an environment. You can change a new environment and your skin type changes, and you can be in a different weather condition and your skin type will change. So now I'm going to be showing you how to determine your skin type. So now we're going to be very practical. I got water. I didn't bring my soap. So with me here, I have water, and down here, I have a bucket. We are going to be practicalizing knowing your skin type, so we'll know the actual skin type we are. Right now, the weather is a bit cold. Let's determine my skin type. Although I know my skin type, but let's take of this video, let's determine my skin type. To determine your skin type, first you need to cleanse your face. Either you use a gentle cleanser or use a mild bar soap. You can use the baby soap or you can use the Dove soap. You can use this cleanser. This is the face fat hydrating cleanser, and this is the Dove bar soap. This soap is very mild. You can use it to cleanse your face. Please don't use any lightening bar soap like this. Don't use any of this lightening bar soap or brightening bar soap on your face. You will not be able to know your skin type because practically all these lightening bar soaps may be drying on the skin. Mind you, bleaching products can also affect you knowing your skin type. Just use something mild and gentle to cleanse your face. It can be a baby soap, it can be anything mild like this cushion baby soap. Let's just go into the video. Yeah, now I'm going to be cleansing my face. We're going to take the cleanser, just a little. We just massage. So now I'm going to wash off my face. I'm done washing my face off now. So right now, we're going to be leaving our skin for like 1 hour. You can do anything. Like right now, I'll be going to go and be editing my video to post, all right, on other platforms. You can just practically do anything, or you can just be watching movie for 1 hour or 2 hours, depending on how long you can stay, but we'll just stay for 1 hour. So right now, this is 4:37. After an hour time, we'll be coming back, so we'll determine our skin type. Hope you're following along with this instruction, and hope you're doing yours at home or whenever you want to determine your skin type. Please do this. Please, after this video, I don't want when I ask someone what's your skin type, person will tell me I don't know. Like, how can't you know when you have Ollas reality, when you have me, your big skincare coach here, and you don't know your skin type? No, 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 no. From this video, please make sure you know your skin type. Okay, we'll be back after an hour. So this is 5:49. You know, the other time it was 4:37. This is 5:49, which we have done 1 hour. And okay, so you can do 1 hour, you can do 2 hours. So this is my skin now. After 1 hour, you can see I don't have an oily skin, I have a normal skin. Based on the weather is cold right now, my skin is normally normal to dry. Sometimes it's dry, sometimes it's just normal, but I have a normal skin. So if you're a normal skin, this is how your skin is supposed to be. If you're an oily skin, know that all your face will be oily, or it will be shining very well. Then if you have a dry skin, your face is going to be looking very tight, flaky, and it's going to be looking dry. That's how you know you have a dry skin. You know, the weather is actually cold now, so my skin is dry, but I have a normal to dry skin. I have a normal skin, but when the weather is cold, tend to have a dry skin. And if you have a combination skin, here is going to be shining, while here is going to be dry. Sensitive skin is just basically your skin reacts to a lot of products. You can have a dry and sensitive skin, you can have an oily and sensitive skin. The major two skin type you definitely fall into, either fall into dry or you fall into oily skin. So my skin is normal, my skin is not oily, my skin is sometimes dry, but I have a normal skin. So with this test, hope you're able to know what your skin type is. Please don't make a mistake of giving yourself a wrong skin type or assuming your skin type. Please make sure you know your skin type, because if you know your skin type, to be able to guide you on knowing the right ingredient you are to use and the right product you are to use. If you have an oily skin, you need to go for things that are drying, like you can go for cerulic acid, you can go for glycolic acid, you can go for niacinamide, but don't use vitamin C. If you have a dry skin, you can go for hydrating ingredient, maybe like hyaluronic acid, ceramide, and you can also use glycerin. Anything that brings in moisture into your skin, those are the things you're going to be needing. Make sure that when you know your skin type, you know that okay, this is what I'm going to use, this is the skin ingredient, and these are the products that are good for my skin. Okay, want to get started with your skin and your skincare? Do well to download my free 5 days clear skin starter plan. If you want to take your skin to the next level, grab my complete ultimate skincare ebook. It will guide you on everything you need to know about skin. With that ebook, you don't actually need me, but the first 20 people that will grab that ebook will get a 1 day free skincare consultation with me. So what are you waiting for? Rush down right now. Okay, don't forget, knowing your skin type is one step to having a glowing and healthy skin. So if you're able to find your skin type with this video, do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. And if you have any video ideas you want me to make for you guys, please do well to drop it down in the comment section. This is Ollas Reality, showing you the real reality of skincare. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I wanted to look at my breast or showing me.